you're thinking of getting this white kitchen timer, this magnetic kitchen timer, then let me give you my full opinion and full review. So I've had this now for over a year. I've actually bought two of them because I want one in the kitchen and one upstairs. And super useful for things like productivity timers, if you're doing anything, if you don't want to use your tech or your screens and you want to time something. And obviously in the kitchen, magnetic and with a loud alarm, like a beep that tells you when the timer is done. Powered by a battery here, but you can, if you're worried about that, you can just use rechargeable ones. Has a little kind of kickstand that you just flick like that if you want to stand it up on your desk, if you don't want to put it onto something magnetic. So yeah, I mean, there's more things I like about this. So firstly, it's super simple and minimalist. It's so easy to use. You basically just press both of these buttons together to reset it, and then decide how many minutes you want it to time. So for example, 1 minute and 2 seconds, start, and it just starts counting down. You can also pause the timer. You should be able to pause it. Yeah, you can pause the timer, reset. I'll just show you how loud the alarm is. So 2 seconds, start. Yeah, so there's one thing to kind of be aware of is that, like I said, it's powered by a battery. Now, I've had this for 2 years. It's actually still running on the same one battery. It hasn't, run out of charge. But, just something to be aware of if you were looking for a rechargeable one. But you can just get around that by getting rechargeable batteries and then using those inside here. It does have this little thing on the top, which is quite cool. I guess this is to put a string if you want to wear this around your neck, like a classic stopwatch. And yeah, it's magnetic, super strong magnet strength, just attaches to like the fridge or anything like that. So yeah, I highly recommend if you're looking for just a standard minimalist high quality kitchen timer or just magnetic timer, I highly recommend this white magnetic timer.